Are you a keen cook, chef or barbecuer who loves to cook outdoors? Whether you're a chef or foodie enthusiast, an outdoor kitchen can not only be beautiful, it can be incorporated into any outdoor area. Planning a project begins with inspiration, and what better way than seeing what's possible in 3 different backyards. 3 different designs, 3 different sizes. We'll show you how to make the most of your space and your budget. Right off the bat, work out the essential must-haves that will give your space the wow factor, whether that's a barbecue, pizza oven, or both. However, don't forget when it comes to cooking outdoors, a key call-out is having a prep area. Any size area can have a dedicated cooking space. A 2-burner barbecue is great and more than enough for anyone with a small space to prepare and cook delicious meals. It still does the job while being compact and lightweight and has the same kick as a regular barbecue. To complement the space, think about adding a food preparation table. By adding a chopping board, you can prepare your food right here without the need to go back and forwards to the kitchen. Other items to keep at arm's reach include tea towels, barbecue wipes, trays, rubs, spices, and of course, plates, cutlery and glassware. Suddenly, we've gone from a simple trolley to an outdoor kitchen prep station with a few little additions. Not to mention, having both the trolley and the barbecue on wheels means that you can easily wheel them back under cover when not in use or if the weather takes a turn. You can also take them with you when you move. Moving on to a small deck area, by integrating a built-in barbecue to a more permanent design, you instantly bring your kitchen outdoors. This elevates the space beyond just a barbecue plonked in the corner. By building this, you've created a dedicated cooking area in your courtyard. But to maximise a space like this, every inch counts. We've continued the timber theme by using merbau that matches the decking boards to create a base for this built-in barbecue and bench seat. We built the framework to an appropriate height and depth, then we attached the merbau panels to the framework. Now, when it comes to tiling an outdoor bench top, it's important to select tiles that are suitable for outdoor use. This will ensure that they will hold up to any kind of weather conditions. I've gone for this matte grey tile because it's really going to pop against the timber and the cladding. It's really important also to remember before you lay your tile to apply a waterproofing membrane. Think about installing screens or cladding. Not only will they create privacy, they also add an aesthetic backdrop. The only heavy lifting from here is to add the barbecue. To keep the conversation going while you're preparing and cooking your meals, consider a bench seat near the area where your friends can sit. It also doubles as extra storage, which is always a bonus in small spaces, and outside is no exception. Having a hinged lid on the bench seat allows you to pack away the cushions to keep them out of the weather when not in use. Another great way to add storage is beneath the built-in barbecue. This will help with hiding the gas bottle and barbecue accessories. By adding a few cushions, some styling items and some herbs and plants, we've transformed this small space into an outdoor kitchen. Plus, a little bench seat to rest in between. And last but not least, a space that has all of the wow, yet is practical at the same time. The idea here is to create a modern outdoor kitchen space that can produce the same level of cooking and entertaining options as an indoor kitchen. When designing and determining the layout of this space, ensure that all of your products are suitable for outdoor use. That includes cabinetry and fridge. Prep space is vital for kitchens, and an outdoor kitchen is no different. With that in mind, we've decided to put prep space on both sides of the larger appliances. Here we've installed modular storage, with each cabinet designed for a specific use, such as fridge, barbecue, sink, and multi-purpose storage, bringing all of the convenience of an inside kitchen to an outdoor space. Behind this, we've built vertical timber slat screening. By placing the slats vertically, it adds privacy and design contrast to the space. With the pizza oven as the standout of this design, we've decided to add a decorative tiled splashback to complement this. Not only does this add a sense of luxury to the space, but it's also super easy to clean and defines the pizza oven space in our kitchen. And with a dedicated space for wood storage, everything you need to cook has its place. The great thing about these ovens is that you're not just limited to pizzas. The options are endless. To finish this space off, we've added a dining table and benches to make serving up a breeze. When building an outdoor kitchen, no matter how big or small, ensure you use the correct products and follow the manufacturer's guidelines on clearances and materials for safety compliance. And there you have it. No matter the size of your space or budget, there's an outdoor option for you to incorporate barbecue entertainment into your backyard.